To view, add and remove deep sleeping apps in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care. Next, tap battery and then tap background usage limit. Now tap deep sleeping apps. Here you can see the list of apps that have been put to deep sleep, either manually added by you or automatically added by your phone. As a note, deep sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive update or notification. However, they will only work when you open them. Next, to add an app to this list or to put an app to deep sleep manually, tap the plus icon at the top right. Select the required app you like to put to deep sleep and then tap add. You can see that the selected app has been added to the list under user add section because this app is put to deep sleep manually by you. Next, to remove an app from this list or set an app to never sleep manually, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select remove. Select the required app you like to set to never sleep and then tap remove. You can see that the selected app has been removed from the deep sleep app list and moved to never sleep app list automatically. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.